Hello guys, my name is Amit and you're watching Tech Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel. The most awaited phone Poco X2 is here. I have ordered it before the lockdown and I was unable to unbox the phone. So today I have got the time and I am unboxing the phone. This is the latest phone from Poco. Here are some features. It has got 6.67 inches display and a main highlighting feature it's of 120 Hz. It has got 4 cameras on a rear side and 2 cameras on a front. It has got 730G processor which is based on 8 nanometer high performance, and the main highlighting feature is of 4500 mAh battery. In the box you will get 27-volt charger. Here is a 6GB and 64GB variant and it cost me around 16,000 rupees. Now it's of 17,000 rupees. Let's unbox the phone. Here is the phone. As you can see, it's of purple color. It is very nice in look. It has got a mirror finish. And in the box you will get a charger and a cable. The cable is of type C port and it is very good in quality. Let's talk about the charger. In the box itself you will get a 27-volt charger and which is very fast, as you can see. Now let's keep all this aside and talk about the phone. Let's boot this phone and let's talk about the camera. As you can see, it has got a very nice finish on a backside. There are 4 cameras. First camera is of 64 megapixel which has got Sony IMX868 flagship sensor and a 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel micro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. On a front side you will get 2 cameras and a punch hole. Front side you will get a 20 megapixel and a 2 megapixel camera. Let's talk about the physical overview. On the right side you will get a volume locker button and a fingerprint scanner. And this is a little bit weight. On the top side you will get a IR blaster and a secondary noise cancellation. On the left side you will get a SIM tray. The body is of metal and it is very nice. On the bottom side you will get a 3.5mm jack, a charging port, a mic and a speakers. Now let me quickly set up the phone and I will add my fingerprint and a face lock and I will show you how fast it is. Let's see how the security is of fingerprint. As you can see, I will touch and it just unlocks. I will touch and it just unlocks. It is very quick. Talk about the display. The display is of 6.67 inches IPS Full HD Plus display with HDR. Here you can see the display is very sharp and vibrant in color. In a sunlight there is no problem in visibility and this phone supports HD content in both Netflix and Amazon Prime. Now let's talk about the main highlighting feature, that is 120 Hz. There is an option in a display section. You can switch between 60 Hz to 120 Hz. 120 Hz gives you the smoothness in a UI itself. Because only few apps like Amazon and Flipkart supports 120 Hz. Sometimes 120 Hz lags in a UI because 730G is not a flagship processor to support 120 Hz. It's just a highlighting feature. Talking about the processor, it comes with 730G, comes with an 8 nanometer processor and it's a power efficient. Day-to-day task is very smooth, there are no lags here. App opening time is very smooth and multitask is also good. Talking about the gaming, the processor is made for gaming only because of the G series chipset. It handles almost all high-end games like Asphalt 8, Gangster of Vegas and a king of games, that is PUBG. Talking about the PUBG, There is no overheating issue after playing the game for 2 to 3 hours. Battery backup is also good. You can play games like 10 to 11 games continuously. Recommended only for the gamers. Talking about talking about the graphics, you can play up to smooth with ultra. There is no option for smooth with extreme, which is very disappointing. Talking about the Android version, it runs on Android 10 with MIUI 11. In MIUI 11, you will get a lot of customization. And a good thing is Poco provides Android security patches time to time. So that's very good. Let's talk about the camera. Here you will get a lot of features like 64 megapixel camera, a portrait mode, a night mode, a panorama mode, and a pro mode, which is very good for camera lovers. Now let's talk about the speaker qualities. The speaker is very good and it is very loud, but 3.5 mm jack is not that loud. Talking about the battery, this phone charges battery from 10% to 100% in just 65 minutes, which is very fast. As I said, this phone is best under 20,000 rupees. So if you want to buy a phone, then link is in the description. So thank you for watching the video.